Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore this AC vent. This is AC vent, or also is used for the heat when the winter is here. Okay, as you see, it's really bad. Looks really bad because it's been there for a long time and nobody painted, nobody sanded. And I'm gonna show you today how to restore it and make it look nice. Okay, everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to yourself. Please wear gloves, mask, and glasses, and also make sure your kids are not around or your pets, because we're gonna work with chemicals like paint and thinner and primer, all that stuff. So please make sure also you do it in your garage, outside your house, in a ventilation area, because if you do it inside your house, it's gonna be dangerous because they smell and the chemicals. Okay, for this project, we're gonna use this white vinegar to remove the paint. So you need this stainless steel scrubber, like to wash dishes and, or to wash anything. And when you want to remove the dry food or whatever, you can use this one. So we're gonna use one of these. We're gonna use sandpaper. P100 is okay. We're gonna use this primer. I hope you can see it. Okay, we're gonna use metallic finish. This is color gold because I want to paint it gold. And also the matte clear. Okay, so this is for the end. Primer, the color that you want, and the clear to protect the paint. We use the primer to cover all the imperfections in the metal, and to make sure the paint is stay there. And after that, we use the matte clear to protect the paint. Okay, so I'm gonna put this somewhere, and like I said, make sure you wear gloves, glasses, and mask, and check that your kids are not around, okay, or your pets. So I'm gonna grab I already have my container here. Okay, this is the container that I'm using, a plastic one. And you put the vent there, the vent or the metal, whatever you want to paint, and remove the paint first. So this is what you do. You put it inside this container for one day. So you can put it pour the white vinegar on it. Make sure it covers the metal that you unpainted, and after that you will see that the next day the paint is really easy to remove. So let me show you. Okay, after one day, this is how the the paint is as loose. You see, what I do is to not make dust. So I open the hot water and I use the scrubber. Look, hope you can see it, but you can see now that it's super easy to remove the paint, and with something clean, make sure you clean in the like the hiding spots and behind. So look, I'm gonna show you now. So that's why you don't make dust with water. How easy it is to remove the paint, and also you can use, like I said, sandpaper. What you're doing there, if you see a spot that doesn't come out or doesn't look good, use your sandpaper, like in this part right here inside, just bend it and go. There. That way you're not gonna make dust. See? So like inside here I use some paper to go deep. All the paint will come out super easy. And but let me show you one that I already finished, okay? I'll put this back here. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, right here is one that I already sanded and cleaned it, but I leave it there for 1 day and it has some like, it's rusty already, but before you paint it, you grab alcohol, just pure alcohol, and spray there, and then wipe it before you paint it. Right now, so let me get some alcohol. So I have a little bottle with alcohol. Just spray it before you paint it, okay? Okay, now it's ready to be painted. So now I'm gonna show you how to apply the, right here we're not gonna paint them because you cannot see this. I'm gonna paint this around here, and then the front. And so I'm gonna show you how to apply the primer, okay? So we are gonna apply the primer first. And the same way you apply the primer, that's the same way you're gonna apply the paint that you're gonna use, and then after that, the same way you're gonna apply the clear finish. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you the all 3 steps because my video is gonna be super long, but I'm gonna show you how to apply the primer. Okay, so let's go outside. Okay, so we are here outside where I'm gonna paint it. I make sure I cover my floor. Make sure you shake well the primer or the paint before you paint it. Like I said, make sure it's a ventilated area because you smell the paint It's dangerous. You can get headaches or allergic. And always read the instructions here, okay? Before you use it, because we're working with chemicals. So before you paint it, make sure you apply it like 6 inches far away from the iron that you're gonna paint. Same thing with the paint. Same thing with the clear. I think now it's ready. I've been shaking this for 3 minutes. So now let me show you. So like I said, 6 inches, and don't try to finish at once, okay? So it's better to do it like 3 coats or 4. Let it dry. Okay, let me show you like 6 inches. Okay, that's it. Now we go to this side. Sorry, I don't have too much light here. I need to add more light. So here, okay, that's it. Now this side here. Okay, that's one coat, and leave it there for maybe 3 hours, 2 hours. Read the instructions here, and let's see how many hours you need to leave it before you apply the second one, okay? So now I'm gonna show you one that is already finished, okay? Okay, here is one that I already finished. You see the difference? It looks much better. So this one I apply 3 coats of primer. After apply the first one, I let it dry for 2 hours. Then I come back and apply the other one. So it took me a lot of time, maybe 1 day, but you know, it's worth it. Because you don't have to go and buy it new, but if you want to, that's fine. But I just wanna show you how to paint and also how to restore these vents. And as you see, it looks so much nice. And let me install it here. Also, I need to buy the screws because the old one is really dirty. So this one is supposed to go over here. Right there. See, it looks much better. Yeah, it looks much better, the other one. Okay guys, I hope you like my video. Hope you check my other videos, and if you like this one, give me a like, subscribe, ask me questions and comment. I always try to fix anything I can, so check my channel. There is a lot of videos, might be helpful for you. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day, and go Bears. Go Bears. This year the Bears gonna beat the Packers.